Guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel and learn the dentistry in an easy manner. So today our topic is on ultrasonic scaling. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe and keep watching Pen Dentistry. Okay. So scaling. Scaling is a process by which plaque and calculus are removed. Here what you are going to remove, you are going to remove the plaque and calculus from the tooth region if this is the tooth. Okay. So this is the gingiva on this tooth present. It is going to remove the plaque which is present on the teeth and the gingiva region. That will be the calculus which is present in the interdental spaces here. That will going to be removed by the process of scaling from the supragingival and subgingival. Supra means above the tooth and subgingival means below the tooth. Below the tooth means under the gingival region. This is the gingiva under this. इसके अंदर ओके इसके अंदर रहेगा सबजिंजाइवल और ऊपर अगर तुथ के रीजन में होगा तो वो सुप्राजिंजाइवल है तो इसका what are the factors or you can say the qualities ultrasonic scaling having. Before going on the qualities, I will be telling you there are two type of scaling. One is manual and one is ultrasonic. We prefer the ultrasonic scaling because it is very easy to use and it is very fast to do, and we don't use manual scaling. We do manual scaling at a particular tooth when the single tooth is involved or we have to clean the tooth. That is manual scaling. Otherwise we do ultrasonic scaling. So this is the ultrasonic scaling we are going to with. So these are the qualities. Qualities are water cooling tip. It is having a water cooling tip. The tips which is present in the ultrascalers, okay, that is water cooling. The tip is present. इसमें water cooling लगा होता है. Water इसमें से निकलता रहता है to cool the tip of the tooth, vibrating at a high frequency. High frequency means vibration जो होते हैं इसमें vibration. If this is the scaler, it is going to vibrate in a high frequency. क्यों? क्योंकि प्लेग और कैलकुलस हमको रिमूव करना है तो उसके लिए जो मैकेनिकल मेथड चाहिए, एक हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी चाहिए हमको, वो यहाँ पर मिलती है हमें. इलेक्ट्रिक से मैकेनिकल ये कन्वर्ट होता है. इलेक्ट्रिकल टू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड. इलेक्ट्रिकल मीन्स you are using a scaler and you are going to use the scaler by electric method. Okay, if you are going to add the power supply, then only you are going to use the electronic scaler. That means कि अगर जब तक आप प्लग नहीं लगाएंगे आप इलेक्ट्रिक मतलब जो अल्ट्रासोनिक स्केलिंग है वो आप यूज ही नहीं कर सकते. सो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं हम मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में. मैकेनिकल दैट इज वाइब्रेटिंग पावर में हम इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो ये मेथड जो होता है वो बेस्ट होता है. इलेक्ट्रिक से मैकेनिकल कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ये क्वालिटी है इसकी. फ्रीक्वेंसी ये 18,000 से 500,000 तक फ्रीक्वेंसी देता है. दिस इज अबाउट 18. The range is about 18,000 to 50,000 frequency is given, that is cycle per second. This is the vibrating power. It is given by ultrasonic scaling. Pocket, it reduces the pocket. Okay, it reduces the inflammation also if you are going to reduce the pocket, and this is reduced. It is having a water lavage quality. This is the most important feature of the ultrasonic scaling. Water lavage property. It carries three: flushing, cavitation and acoustic streaming. What flushing carries? The flushing carries, it flushes out all the calculus, all the plaques, Plagues which contain bacteria, the bacteria are flushed out. The blood from the pockets which is accumulated, the bad blood, that is going to be removed by the flushing method. Okay. Cavitation. The second one is cavitation. In cavitation, there is a tiny bubbles. It is giving a spray of tiny bubbles. These bubbles are very tiny. That is बहुत ही छोटे bubbles होते हैं ये जो कोलैप्स कर जाते हैं. ये इलेक्ट्रिक दैट इज शॉक वेव्स देता है और ये बबल प्रोड्यूस करता है. तो ये बबल्स क्या करते हैं? लाइसिस ऑफ बैक्टीरियल वॉल्स. लाइसिस मीन्स ब्रेक डाउन. जो बैक्टीरिया होता है, अगर ये बैक्टीरिया है, ओके, तो इसका लाइसिस हो जाता है. लाइसिस मीन्स इसका जो सेल वॉल है ये ब्रेक कर देगा ये वेपर, सॉरी, जो ये बबल्स है, स्मॉल टाइनी बबल्स with the help of shock waves. तो इसे कहते हैं cavitation. This is known as cavitation process. Shock waves are released and there is a small tiny bubbles are released. This causes the lysis of bacterial walls. This is known as cavitation. Acoustic streaming. In acoustic streaming, there is a continuous stream of water. ये water निकाल रहा है, okay? तो यहाँ पर कंटिन्यूस स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर रिलीज होती है जो क्रिएट करती है प्रेशर. और ये प्रेशर ये इफेक्ट करता है इसको, इस इफेक्ट को, प्रेशर क्रिएट जो होता है उस इफेक्ट को बोलते हैं स्ट्रीमिंग. और ये प्रोसेस, सॉरी, ये प्रेशर कौन क्रिएट करता है? ये स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर. और ये क्या करता है स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर? इट सेंसिटाइज द बैक्टीरिया. बैक्टीरिया कौन से? बैक्टीरिया ग्राम नेगेटिव रॉड्स आर सेंसिटाइज टू acoustic streaming. ग्राम नेगेटिव ये बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं जो सेंसिटाइज हो जाते हैं acoustic streaming के. Now we are going to see the advantages of ultrasonic tips. What are the advantages? This modified tips, that is, you can change the tip as per the as per the working. Okay, if there is a heavy calculus, then you can, as you can see in the picture, there is a demarcation are given, and with that you can modify your tip. You can use different types of tips as you require. Flushes calculus debris. As I have told you, the advantages is it flushes out the here, as I have told you, the flushes out the calculus debris, plaques and bacteria, etc. It flushes out the blood and debris, remove the blood and debris. Endotoxin removal. The toxicity which is present, the bad bloods and the bacteria which are present, which create a toxicity in the pockets, which create a toxicity in the plaque and calculus, that is remove. Endotoxin removal. Antimicrobial effect. Antimicrobial, that means microbes are present and you are removing that microbes. This is the microbes. With the help of ultrasonic scaling, you are removing these microbes, so antimicrobial effect. Light pressure is required. Very light hand pressure is required. You will apply on the tooth and it will going to vibrate on its own and it will remove the plaque. बहुत लाइट प्रेशर आपको चाहिए रहता है. जैसे ही आप टूथ पे रखेंगे वो खुद ही वाइब्रेट करेगा और जो भी प्लेक और कैलकुलस जमा हुए हैं वो खुद ही निकल जाएंगे. ये लाइट प्रेशर है. इजी टू यूज एंड ग्रास्प. पेन ग्रास्प होता है. इजीली आप अपना फिंगर रेस्ट देके, ऐसे फिंगर रेस्ट आप देते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, ऐसे फिंगर रेस्ट देके आप अपना काम कर सकते हैं. सो ये हो गया अल्ट्रासोनिक स्केलिंग. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई और आपको समझ में आई मेन बात, तो आप लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए और अपने टॉपिक्स बताइए जो आपको चाहिए. और ये कमेंट करिए कि आपको वीडियो इंग्लिश में चाहिए या हिंदी में. ओके, बिकॉज आई एम कंफ्यूज इन दिस लिटिल बिट. So keep watching Pen Dentistry, and if you want to know more about me, you can go in the description box and you can follow me on my social media accounts. Keep watching Pen Dentistry. Share this video to your friends and your batchmates for easy learning and better understanding. Thank you.